Hey, I am Jay Gomez, and if you ever told yourself this will only take 10 minutes and somehow 2 hours disappear, welcome, you're not alone. Today, we're talking about time estimation and why it can be so tricky when you have ADHD. And of course, I will share some tools that help me to manage it better. Time estimation is basically our brain's internal ability to estimate how long things will take. With ADHD, that internal clock kinda busted. Some people call it time blindness, and it perfectly fit. We either underestimate how long things will take, or we overestimate and then we procrastinate out of fear. One time I tried to clean my entire house in 30 minutes before my guests arrived. What did I achieve in 30 minutes? Barely one bathroom. Because with ADHD, not only messes our motivation, but also warps our perception of time. Saying that I will live in 5 minutes and it's 30 minutes later, thinking that you can scroll to TikToks for a few minutes and it's already dark outside, underestimating work deadlines and you overbook yourself the whole day. Sometimes I will clean my desk for 3 hours, but I couldn't even start a 10-minute task that I have been avoiding all day. See, it's not laziness, it's a misfire in how our brain prioritizes and processes time. Here's what could help you. And it's not about trying harder. It's about tricking your brain to work with time, not against it. The first option, visual timers, like the Time Timer app. It's a simple app that allows you to create multiple timers with colors so you can visualize every task that you're doing in different intervals. It's a really helpful app that allows you to see anything. You can color code it and you can label it. Another option, alarms. Put alarms on your watch, put alarms on your phone. Different intervals, different times of the day. A wall time alarm can snap you out of the fog and put you back on track. Another option, time blocking. If you can block a small portion of your time in your calendar, you can dedicate that time for any task that you're doing, you can accomplish so much. This ain't about being perfectly productive. It's about building awareness so you don't beat yourself up for something your brain struggles with. Time blindness is real, but you're not broken. You just need systems to fit the way your mind works. I really hope you find this video informative. And if you also struggle with time blindness, please let me know in the comments. What is that one activity you always struggle when it comes to time? And please let me know if the solutions I offer are also helpful. As always, thank you for watching.